everyone, today we're gonna take a closer look at the Seagull series Inventor Swimming Pool Heat Pump through a Q&A session. Now let's get it started. The Seagull series offers a wide range of heating capacities from 7 kW to 18 kW. This ensures you get the perfect heating solution tailored to your specific needs. The Seagull series uses R32 refrigerant, which is both efficient and eco-friendly. To set up the heat pump, you just need to connect the water pipes and power supply. No more complicated procedure required. The installation and use are incredibly easy. Its flat panel with a screwless design makes it more stylish and attractive. And its backward airflow design stands out most of the heat pumps in the market. It adopts a high airflow design to keep quiet operation. With a sound pressure level of just 37 dPa at 1 meter, you can enjoy a quiet and comfortable pool environment. With an impressive COP value of over 16, the Seagull series delivers high energy efficiency. This means lower energy consumption and cost saving for you, while also reducing your carbon footprints. It works efficiently in temperature range from -10 to 43 degrees Celsius. Ensure your pool at a perfect temperature in every season. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more cutting-edge heating solutions to transform your pool experience.